I'm Jessica Sittimer, and I am the Director of Training for IntelliTravel.com. I just got back from the MSC Meraviglia, and I'm going to talk to you about the rooms. Because let's face it, this is a hotel on water. And I just want to tell you how I felt when I walked in that door. I'm a little bougie. I like my things luxurious. I like to feel comfy. And they had the most beautiful, spacious room for me. The bathroom was white and clean, and I loved it. But of course, my favorite feature was the balcony. So if you have the opportunity to get into a balcony, do it. The artwork on the walls, everything, it just felt like it was my taste, like they created it for me. So I loved my room. The bed was super, super comfy. I was in it alone, but if you might be in it with a friend, well, hey, you are really going to enjoy everything about this room, including the fact that you will see in the video that they have beds that open up so you could bring a family. They have TVs, which I didn't use. I didn't have time. But so much space to walk around. I really felt like, wow, this is a hotel room, not like the little stateroom that I expected when I used to see the Love Boat. You know what I mean? Any Love Boat people out there? So I hope you enjoyed this video of the rooms for the MSC Meraviglia. Let's talk about staterooms, because your room is basically a hotel on water, which is incredible. Your MSC Meraviglia balcony stateroom is accessed with your passenger key card. Staterooms for guests with disabilities is also available. Now I'm going to start right here from the start so I can save you a lot of time and confusion and frustration, because on my very first cruise I did not know this. You insert your key card to activate the room lights. Let me repeat that. You must stick your key card into the little spot to activate the lights. Otherwise you will be in darkness. Lights automatically shut off approximately 30 seconds after you take out your key card when you leave the room. The good news is you can never forget your key card, because you got to take it out to turn off the lights, and you need it to turn the lights back on when you come back in. The modern spotless bathroom has some shelves for storing personal items, a sink with soap dispenser, a glass shower with body wash and shampoo, and lots of towels. And let me tell you, I love water. I love bathtubs, I love showers, and I spent a lot of time in the shower because I just couldn't get over the pressure and how I felt like I was in my house. The stateroom features comfortable modern decor, a vanity seating area, sofa which pulls out into a second bed, and king-size bed that can be converted into 2 single beds, and pool towels that are really neatly tied up into a cute little, like it almost looks like a yodel. Remember those yodels? They were delicious. Well, that's what the pool towels look like, and they put them in this special arrangement, and it looks so pretty when you walk into the room. Know that you can trade your pool towels in at the pool area for fresh towels. All the information you need for your cruise is already in your room when you get there. The only thing that they do continue to add is daily under your door, or maybe your stateroom gentleman brings it in. And every day it seemed to wind up in my room somehow, the daily agenda, which was wonderful. Plus you've got your Julie McCoy, or cruise director, as we will say, who comes on, and he has a nice accent. I really liked his accent. He comes on every day to talk to you about things that are going on as well. It is my advice to you to store your valuables in the lockable safe located in the closet, because rather safe than sorry. The balcony features a small table and 2 chairs for you to enjoy the view. And it is so much more than that, because like for me, I took all my pillows, I put the 2 chairs together with a table in the middle, and I made myself a little bed, and on the full moon night, I slept outside on my balcony, and it was fabulous. There is an ample closet, including hanging areas and shelves, so if you overpack, like sometimes I do, it's funny, I underpack when I am flying, but I overpack when I'm driving. So if you are an overpacker, there's a good amount of space for you. Rooms feature charming artwork. I loved the artwork. It was just my style. Also has a large mirror, TV, and a sanitized remote control. Electrical outlets include both American and European, as well as a USB port. But remember, you must put that key card in to activate, otherwise things won't charge. I again learned that the hard way. Wi-Fi packages are available for an additional fee, and my friend who was traveling with me did not have a problem with her Wi-Fi, so that was good news for us. Convenient climate command center. Yes, you have a command center in your room with heat and air controls and a do not disturb and room cleaning request function. Now, the best part of the room, in my opinion, is the amazing views from the balcony. You can enjoy the calming waves right from your room. I was lucky I didn't have any loud partiers near me, so I could just sit out there and listen to the waves. You can order room service and enjoy breakfast outside, or take some downtime and indulge in a cocktail. This is your private space for relaxing. You'll especially enjoy the views as the ship approaches the private islands, the Ocean Cay MSC Marine Reserve. I woke up that morning and looked out on my balcony and was pleasantly surprised to first see that lighthouse and then see the gorgeous blue water, and I could not wait to get onto those beaches. So that is all about your rooms. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and you are itching to get into one of these rooms. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel here, give a thumbs up. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments below, and be sure to ring that little bell because we are going to have many, many more videos in this series on the MSC Meraviglia, as well as other videos that you will find on our channel all about travel.